Well, hello there. Welcome back to another episode of Confessions of a PYP Teacher. My name is Lou Gerlach with Think Chat, and I'm super excited to share another school shout out, which is Shu Ren International School, not elementary, international. They are a beautiful PYP authorized school in Berkeley, California, near where I grew up. Just down the road about 45 minutes. And so Berkeley has always been a place that has been known for free thinkers. And Shu Ren is perfectly placed within its environs because this school is very open-minded. I didn't know what to expect because usually with maybe a foreign language school, you're thinking that that culture might dominate. Completely opposite than I experienced. Yes, Mandarin is the additional language of instruction, but what was really fascinating is how amazingly open-minded this staff was to new ideas, implementing them into practice. I like people like Vivian, who I've been able to engage with afterwards, who have helped me to understand a little bit more about the school culture. They're led by a wonderful coordinator, Alex, who really wants the program to thrive. She recently just sent me a follow-up email to let me know that they had just gone through their latest evaluation process and how excited the teachers were to learn and grow. And that sets a tone that we're looking at evaluation as an opportunity for growth and development and to get feedback so that we can continue to grow. And that's what I love about this group of people. They just are so sweet. And I rarely get gifts as a workshop leader. Not that I'm looking for any, but they gave me the sweetest little kit that brought me back to being 5 years old, which was a wooden chopstick set and a wooden bowl that comes in a little wrap. And I literally take that with me on every workshop experience because you can never get cutlery at a hotel. That I learned. And this set the reason why I love it so much and I love these people so much is they reminded me of people that look like me and that I'm half Korean and I'm still, at times, still trying to figure out what does that mean in the modern world. And these people just loved me and I love them. And, there are times when you meet a community where it's just golden and you just connect and you just want to linger because you feel like souls have connected. And that's how I feel at Shu Ren. And I just want my friends there to know that you've stayed with me. And I hope to return one day to work with you, to engage with you, to learn from you, because you embody what we want a PYP school to be. Open-mindedness, people who take risks, people who are willing to expand their knowledge, people who are willing to open their hearts and definitely show care, empathy, and respect to others. I just want to say, I just love you, Shu Ren. You are a magical place. Thank you for doing what you do for students, and I can't wait for our paths to cross again.